My wonderful viewers, students, fellow colleagues. We'll be attempting question number 1E. And as you can see here, selling price is given 1,518 and the loss is $132. So let's go to the spreadsheet and attempt to answer this question. Taking down the question here, you can see, find the gain or loss percent when selling price is as stated and loss is that. Okay. Now, in this particular question, you will discover that we are talking about loss, isn't it? Meaning that we are not dealing with gain. So you can as well strike off the gain. So we know that we are looking for the loss percent, right? Okay. Now, let's go to the spreadsheet and see how it goes. We are given the selling price here. So we go to the selling price amount, 1,518, right? We are also given the loss, which is 132. Remember, when it comes to percentage, I told you there is one that is always 100%, and which is the cost price, right? So you have 100 here. Now, if you look at this question, there is no column that has complete set. On this column for cost price, we have only one cell field. This column, we have only one cell field. This column for loss, only one cell field. So we need where both columns, a whole column is complete. Like here, or here, here, and here, before we can get our loss percent. So what do? We can get our cost price. How do we get our cost price? Imagine this called an empty box. Box minus 1,518 is equal to 132. This is a basic primary 3, primary 4 questions. How do we get our box here? Using this and this. Mind you, this value must be bigger than these two values. For us to be able to remove this from this to get this. So what do? You add 1518 plus 132. Sorry for that noise. So let's come here and solve that. Right? Let's solve that here. 1518 plus 132. 8 plus 2 is 0. This is 5, 6, 1. So altogether we have 1,650. That will be your cost price, right? 1,650. Now we have both cells filled. To get your loss percent here, let's represent that with an L. Remember what I said yesterday? Cross multiply. Cross multiply. Yeah. To get your loss, you cross multiply. So 1,650 times L is 1,650 L, right? Yes. I hope it's all easy. Okay. Yeah. 1,650 L is equals to 100 times 132. To get your L, you divide both sides by 1,650. Isn't it? This, we cancel this. You have your L is equals to this 0, we cancel this 0. Looking at this number, since it ends with 5 and this ends with 10, it means that 5 can divide this number and 5 can divide this 2. 5 here, 2. 5 in 16 is 3, remember 1. 5 in 15 is still 3. Okay? Now, looking at this number, 11 can go in this number and 11 can go in this. Obviously, we all know that 11 can go in 33 because 11 times 3 is 33. How do I know that 11 can go in 132? Because 1 plus 2 is 3. When you multiply a 2-digit number by 11, you will get, maybe we'll discuss that in subsequent session. So 11 here is 3, 11 here is 12. And we all know that 3 can go in 12, right? 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4. 2 times 4 gives 8%. That's the answer. Let's check on the answer page. Let's check the answer page. Okay, let's go there. These are the questions. So we go to now the answer page. This is the answers. And as you can see, let me see if I can make it bigger. Okay. You can see 1E loss is 8% here. Loss is 8%.